Welcome. Take a moment to pause wherever you are. This brief practice is an invitation to reconnect with your present experience using your 5 senses. Whether you are feeling scattered, stressed, or simply want a mindful break, this practice can help you ground yourself. Let's begin. Take a slow, deep breath in through the nose and a gentle breath out. Ensure that you are in a comfortable seat and safe place. Deep breath in and a gentle breath out. We'll start with your sense of sight. Look around you. Notice the colors, the shapes, the light and shadows. Simply observe without judgment. Notice the objects near you, those far away, and even the subtle details you might normally overlook. You can name these objects aloud, simply notice them, or even take a moment to write them down. What do you see? Now gently bring your attention to your sense of hearing. Listen to the sounds around you, sounds that are close by and those that are further away. Allow yourself to notice any layers of sound, even the quietest, most subtle sounds within your environment, and those within your own body. Now take a moment to notice your sense of taste. Is there any lingering taste in your mouth? Maybe from something you ate or drank. Or perhaps you notice a neutral taste or the taste of your favorite meal. Whatever is present, simply notice. Now turn your awareness to your sense of smell. Are there any fragrances or scents in the air around you? Maybe something subtle, like the smell of the room you're in, or something more distinct. Finally, bring your attention to your sense of touch. Notice where your body is making contact with the surface you are sitting or standing on. Feel the texture of your clothing against your skin. Notice the sensation of the air on your face or hands. You may even explore the feeling of your breath entering and leaving your body. Take a final deep breath in. Exhaling with a sigh, releasing. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the space around you, carrying this sense of presence with you as you move through your day. Remember that you can return to this 5 senses mindfulness practice anytime you need a mindful moment, no matter who you are, no matter where you are, and just as you are. Be well.